Okay, we'll keep this one short and sweet. So the Subaru Outback 2020 Plus, the headlights are super, super bright and are adjusted too high from the factory. And what you're gonna find is that drivers are always flashing their high beams at you because they think your brights are on when they're not. So to adjust the headlights down so that they are no longer shining in the cabin of the car in front of you or blinding oncoming traffic, you're gonna want to pop open your hood and you're gonna be looking down here. This is the angle that you're gonna have to come in, demonstrated with this orange fiberglass rod. Just for clarity's sake, you're gonna need a very long Phillips head screwdriver to reach down, something like 8 inches or so, and it can't be too thick. Look down here. And you can see those little fangs on there, those little hooks, and that's what you can turn with the Phillips head screwdriver in order to adjust your headlights up and down. So counterclockwise is gonna be down, and clockwise is going to be up. And you can adjust accordingly using a level on your garage or something, or just play with it here and there and figure it out empirically. You're gonna run into some steric hindrance here with the screwdriver, and that's why you gotta have the 8-inch shaft to be able to reach that adjustment point. This is how the true professionals do it. We got our drill bit, we got a 1/4-inch socket, we got a socket adapter, and then a pair of extensions, which we can use to reach in there nice and deep, and we're gonna tape that up so it doesn't fall down. I'm just gonna put a piece of tape at the, probably the bottom, because it's straighter level on each side, so I can have a baseline to see how it's adjusted. There we go. I actually did have to separate that first socket because it didn't fit because of the width. So really you should be doing this with an 8-inch screwdriver, but this is the alternative. For, I don't know, maybe a 1/4 inch, and I'm 2 feet from the wall. This is super rough, so don't quote me on this, guys, but it looks like about 4 turns. If it drops at about 1/4 of an inch, that's 0.6 degrees per 4 turns. So if you want to get a 1 degree drop, you need to do about 6 or 7 turns counterclockwise. All right, this is about the best we can do. I'm just gonna jiggle this back and forth so you can see. So it is actually turning just like that. So I gave it 6 turns, and that'll be my first try, and then I'll just progressively adjust up and down, and maybe I'll update in the description what my final settings end up being, but that'll be a good start for today. It's the same thing on the passenger side. It's just a little bit more constricted because of the airbox, but you can still slip down your screwdriver head down here and get to everything just fine. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching as usual. Check out my other Subaru Outback videos and stay safe out there, guys.